On-chain analysis is often presented as something only traders, analysts, or engineers can understand. Charts look complex. Wallet addresses feel anonymous. Most people assume blockchain data is unreadable without advanced tools or insider knowledge. That assumption is wrong. Public blockchains are transparent by design, and anyone can follow the money with the right approach. Welcome to the Crypto IQ. Today, we're breaking down on-chain analysis for beginners. This is not about advanced metrics or prediction models. This video shows how to visually follow transactions, understand wallet behavior, and learn one simple skill that helps you avoid obvious token risks. Every transaction on a public blockchain is recorded permanently. When tokens move, the movement is visible. When a contract interacts with another contract, the interaction is logged. Nothing is hidden. There are no private ledgers, delayed disclosures, or internal balance sheets. Tools like blockchain explorers and analytics dashboards organize this data so humans can read it. Instead of trusting statements or rumors, users can verify activity directly. This is the key difference between traditional finance and blockchain systems. Banks report selectively. Blockchains record everything. To understand on-chain flow, start with a single transaction. Using a public explorer or analytics platform, you can paste a wallet address and immediately see its history. Incoming transfers, outgoing transfers, token balances, contract interactions. Advanced tools visualize this flow as a map. One wallet sends funds to another. That wallet interacts with a contract. Funds move again. Patterns form quickly. This makes it possible to follow large holders, known as whales, or track the movement of funds after major events. When a wallet sends funds to an exchange, it often signals intent to sell. When funds move into cold storage, it often signals holding behavior. None of this requires guessing. The data is public. Wallets do not need names to be informative. Behavior tells the story. A whale wallet often shows large transfers, repeated interactions with liquidity pools, or consistent timing patterns. A compromised wallet often sends funds rapidly through multiple addresses in an attempt to obscure the trail. Even when identities are unknown, movement patterns reveal intent. This is why blockchain transparency changes accountability. Funds can move fast, but they cannot disappear. The most useful beginner skill is checking whether a token contract is safe. Start by opening the token contract page on a blockchain explorer. Look for basic signals. Is the contract verified? Does the source code match what the token claims to do? Are there functions that allow the creator to mint unlimited supply or block transfers? You do not need to read code line by line. Explorers label common risks clearly. If ownership is not renounced, the creator may still control the contract. If trading limits exist, selling may be restricted. This single check filters out many avoidable risks. By 2026, on-chain data is no longer optional knowledge. Markets move faster. Information spreads instantly. Those who rely only on headlines react late. Blockchain data does not lie. It records actions, not promises. You do not need to be an expert. You only need to know where to look. Stop guessing where the money went. On a public blockchain, every transaction is recorded, time-stamped, and visible to anyone willing to look. There are no hidden ledgers, delayed disclosures, or selective reporting. Banks explain movements after the fact, often through summaries and statements. The blockchain explains them in real time, transaction by transaction. Learning how to read on-chain data changes how you understand markets. It replaces assumptions with evidence and speculation with verification. Subscribe to the Crypto IQ, as we will come back again with another interesting topic.